In today's video, we'll cover how small changes and nutrient-packed super drinks can help your kidneys detoxify and your blood sugar stay balanced. This can lead to more steady energy, clearer skin, an improved mood, and an overall boost to your well-being. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Foods like grass-fed beef, wild salmon, mixed berries, and cruciferous vegetables contain antioxidants that help detoxify your kidneys and liver. These foods reduce inflammation and improve overall kidney function. Avoid oxalate-rich foods. If you're prone to kidney stones, limit foods high in oxalates like spinach, nuts, and whole grains. Eating a small portion of grass-fed cheese with meals can help bind oxalates in the intestines, preventing absorption into the kidneys. Hydrate properly. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you have a history of gout or kidney stones. Proper hydration helps dilute uric acid and oxalates, making it easier for your kidneys to flush them out. Grow microgreens. Add microgreens like broccoli sprouts and radish sprouts to your meals. These sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, which helps detoxify harmful substances from the blood and supports kidney function. Cut back on sugar. Processed sugars, particularly fructose, are toxic to the kidneys and can trigger gout and kidney stones. Opt for whole fruits instead, which contain fiber to buffer sugar absorption. Take a probiotic. Probiotics containing at least 50 billion CFUs of lactobacillus can strengthen your intestines and help break down uric acid and oxalates before they reach the kidneys. Supplementeth vitamin D. Taking 10,000 IUs of vitamin D3 daily can improve calcium absorption in the intestines, reducing the amount of oxalates that reach the kidneys. By combining the ingredients in this kidney cleanse drink with healthy lifestyle changes, you can support your kidneys, flush out harmful substances, and reduce your risk of developing kidney stones or gout. As always, consult your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you have existing kidney issues or take medication. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Try these out and see what works best for you.
Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep looking amazing. Bye.